Hello, this is my tutorial for you for ICT IGCSE Chapter 1, Types and Component of Computer System. In the previous video, we talked about hardware and internal hardware. In this video, we'll talk about software. Software, we have two types of software, application software and system software. Let's start with application software. You should know that application software allow users to do specific tasks. Application softwares allow you to do specific tasks. For example, if you want to write a document, you will use a word processor. Word processor, we can use it to manipulate text document. And the most famous one, Microsoft Office Word. If you want to do another task, if you want to make calculations and create graphs, you will use a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, we can use it for manipulation numerical data. And also we can use formula, and also we can produce graphs. If your task now to store data in a shape of table and create report and label or forms or reports, we will use Microsoft Access or database. Database, we can use it to store data in a table, and also we can use query to get data from it and produce a report. Control and measuring software. If you want to control anything, for example, in a room, you want to measure the temperature and control it by change the temperature of the room. This is called control and measuring software. You will use sensors to measure a physical quantity like temperature, and you will control it using this application. Apps, all of us have apps on our mobile phones, and apps is an abbreviation for applications, and we can use it for many things. For any application you have it in your mobile, for gaming, for doing a specific thing, for GPS, all of that are called apps. Photo editing software. Photo editing software, like we can do it on Photoshop. In Photoshop, we can manipulate and edit in our pages, in our pictures. Also, we have video editing software. We can use it to edit in video. We can merge two videos. We can add transitions between videos. We can add effects on videos using video editing software. The last one in application software, graphics manipulation software. We can use it in editing bitmap or vector images. And if you will study computer science, you will know more about the bitmap pictures and vector images. We can explain it in another video to know the difference between vector and bitmap images. So as I said before, we have two types of software: application software, which we talk about it, like Word, like Access, like Excel, like Photoshop and apps you can find it on your computer, and all of that we call it application software because we can use it for doing a specific task. Now we will talk about system software, and you should know that system software programs that allow the hardware to run properly or allow user to communicate with computer. Let's start with operating system or OS. Operating system is allow you to communicate with your computer. It's a language between you and your computer. For example, if I point on anything, you will not understand what I want you. I want to take it. I want you to take it. I want to give it to another one. You will not understand from me. But on your computer, when you double click or point on anything on your monitor and press two times, your computer will understand that you want to open this thing. So it's a language between you and your computer, which allow you to communicate with your computer. So operating system, we can use it to manage our computer and it work in the background. Utilities program, we can use it to do specific tasks like antivirus, anti-spyware, and backup your files, and security, screenshot, or screensaver. Sorry, all of that are utilities programs, and we will talk about antivirus and anti-spyware in details in another chapter, in chapter 8. Also, in system software, we have device driver. It allows your computer to communicate with a new device you connected to your computer. For example, if you have a new printer, you should make your computer know it and allow your computer to communicate with it. How? By using device driver. It's a software allow your computer to connect and communicate with a new device. Compiler. Compiler can be used to transfer high-level language to machine code. Our machine language. High level language, like any programming language, like Visual Basic, like JavaScript, like C Sharp, C++, all of that are high level language. If we want to convert it to machine code, you will use a compiler. Linker. Of course, any program, we will do it. Not only one programmer work on it. Many programmers work and do parts of the program. After that, we want to collect all of this part. Who will do it? The linker. The linker will take more than one object file and make it on only one program or convert it into a single program. Okay, that's all about software. That's all about software, and thank you for listening.